Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make aloe vera ginger juice. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy aloe vera ginger juice in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have 1 aloe vera leaf. Choose fresh and tender ones for best taste and results. Cut off both the ends. Also cut off the sides and you can discard them. Now gently cut the outer layer. Now we are ready with the aloe vera gel. Cut it into small cubes and keep it ready. Transfer the aloe vera cubes to a mixer jar. To this add 1 small piece of ginger crushed, a teaspoon of powdered jaggery and juice of half lemon. This is about a teaspoon. Grind this to a fine paste. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind well again. Now our delicious aloe vera ginger juice is ready. I have a cup like this. Strain and transfer the aloe vera ginger juice to it. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this aloe vera juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.